Good morning. It is Tuesday, January 16th, and it is a chilly day. We woke up this morning and it was 18 degrees, felt like 5 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a little chilly. So I will be the only one in the shop today because my commute is much shorter than the other two guys that work here with me, Daniel and Yake. 290 is a mess. Blah, 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 blah. You all know all of this already. But, so it'll be me today. I am supposed to be doing a heat treat today, which there probably won't be a ton of customers here, so I may actually be able to get that done. And with how cold it is, it'd be a perfect day for a heat treat. So I'm actually kind of excited about that because it's nice and warm in front of a 1200, 14, 1900 degree oven. So, hey, we'll see. So if I can do it, I'll be doing Daniel's batch of D2. I'll be doing Yake's batch of CPM 154 and then my batch of CPM 154. So Daniel has a couple customs in this one. Yake's are all for stock, and I believe all of mine are for stock. Yeah, except for, well, these four steak sukis are for a customer, but one of those customers with no deadline. So, so I will hopefully get this heat treat done. Otherwise, well, like I said, not a whole lot will be happening in the showroom. I believe I could be surprised. I was surprised after the day after Harvey when a bunch of people came in and we ended up having a great day and great conversation. But I have one other little thing to do. So we're gonna come into the showroom, old showroom. Now I'm starting to call this the finishing room, but we'll see. And part of our Civivi order came in. So notice I say part of, somehow one box got an entire week ahead of the other 3 boxes coming from we and Civivi. So some old friends will be back and some new friends. Like the brand new knife just released. This is the Storm Howl, something like that. So we got that in 4 variations. The Conspirator we've had just in different variations than we've had them before. I went through Civivi's site and like if there's a wood handled option, I got it. So we have a bunch of wood handle options now. We are also playing with some of their fixed blade stuff, right? This Teton Tickler is probably the one I was the most suspicious about, but then you put it in the hand, I was like, man, that is a lovely knife. The fixed blade Elementum, little larger, so it's based on the button lock Elementum, little bit big, and then of course the mini Elementum, that's just, that's a nail cleaner right there. And then other new knives, we've gotten asked about this one a lot. I can make my hands work. This is the Vision. It's their first one with this. It's like the Demco Shark Lock. I don't know what Civivi calls it. I will be looking that up because we've never had this knife in stock before. So, like I said, some new stuff, some new variations of stuff. So this is the brazen we've had for, you know, on and off again, with a cool black twill micarta, and that green. I mean, some of this core stuff is just super cool. So anyway, we will get more into these knives in the future. But really, for us today, stay warm. If you don't have to go outside, don't go outside. We'll be here tomorrow, be here the rest of the week, and just stay warm and have some cool family time that no one thought we were to have. So have it. We'll see you next time.